After completing the design capture and layout, and configuring the bill of material for procurement, we can now produce the necessary files required for fabrication and assembly. Besides outputs like Gerber, NC Drill, and pick and place files, designers would also produce fabrication and assembly drawings for board design production. In this section, we will see the improvements of Draftsman document in Altium Designer 18 to facilitate creation of these graphical drawings. Draftsman is a multi-sheet document which provides an interactive approach to producing fabrication and assembly drawings. When nothing is selected in Draftsman, the Properties panel now conveniently includes configurations for both the multi-sheet document and individual sheet options. This panel allows configuration of the document, such as grids in the General section and assembly variant choice in the Source section. Line properties, document units, as well as document parameters can also be controlled from within this panel. If multiple sheets are to be added to the Draftsman document, the individual sheet options can be controlled through the page options in this panel. For example, we can define the template for the active sheet and set it to use an NCB template. If this setting is to be applied to multiple sheets of this document, we can make use of the button controls on the top right corner of this panel. Once we toggle it to control page options to all sheets in the entire document, this setting applied in page options will then apply to all sheets in this document. Similar as prior versions of Altium Designer, assembly views can be added to the board through the Place menu. The views can also be scaled up or scaled down accordingly. These views can be used to represent the multiple view sides of the board. Dimensions can then be added to these views for clear board representation. Additional views such as isometric view, section views, and detailed views can also be added to this document. In Altium Designer 18, the Draftsman editor also offers new free-form geometric shape objects, such as arc by center, arc 3 points, and region, which are all accessible via the Place menu or the active bar. Besides assembly views, fabrication views of various board layers can be placed in this document as well. Drill drawing and its corresponding drill tables can also be included. Other design items such as bill of materials and layer stack legend can also be placed on this document through either the Place menu or the active bar. In Altium Designer 18, Draftsman now includes a Bookmarks panel, accessible from the Panels button. This panel offers a convenient way to navigate and manage multi-sheet drawing Draftsman documents. Through an expandable tree view of the complete document structure, it presents all document sheets and the drawing objects within the sheets. This panel also offers active navigation capabilities. When the sheet or drawing object is selected in the panel, it will navigate to the sheet or object in focus. We can find several useful icons on the top of this Bookmarks panel. Using these icons, we can toggle the view between single active sheet and the multi-sheet view. We can also add or remove sheets using these icons here. The same command can be accessed by right-clicking on the sheet in the list view. Sheets can be moved using either the up or down navigational icons or by a simple drag and drop of the sheet to another location in the tree. In this module, we saw the enhancements of the Draftsman editor in Altium Designer 18. We have now reached the end of this video series titled Upgrading to Altium Designer 18 High Performance Made Simple. Please contact us should you have any further questions or comments. Thank you for your time.